lot's changed. Lots happened since the last time we met each other. You see, Jib, I've changed. Changed. Some people would say I'm a better person than what I was. Some people say I'm a worse person than I'll ever be. One thing I know is my life's got better. Better than it was. Better than what it was a long time ago. Love is defined as the feelings two people get. This is affection towards each other. Whether that be a man and a man, a woman and a woman, or just a man and a woman. In weird cases, a man and a woman. In cases, man, woman, you know. I'm in love. Might as well say it now. I'm in love. I've got a girlfriend. Her name is Neve McConnell. She's really dead on. She's beautiful. She just knows, she just gets me, you know. So yeah, she really is a special human being. Yeah, I can't wait for a future together. Because she is so goddamn cool. Yeah, before I get emotional, something I wanted to say is, hi YouTube, I'm back. Bet you didn't miss me. And I'm back with a little classic. I'm back with Q&A. What you gonna do? So yeah. Let's get into this Q&A. I'm just come off so that's who I fucking am. Conor McGregor 10. Randy Orton or John Cena? Man. I don't know, I think I've liked John Cena for a long time. He's a fucking icon of WWE. Randy Orton, he's a legend. Legend killer. I know a lot of people, he's been around for a long time, he's a legend of WWE. No one can deny that. The man's a king. To answer the question of Randy Orton or John Cena. Randy Orton. You know what? Yeah, Randy Orton, man. I know I'm gonna get a lot of hate from my sister if I'm saying that. Yeah, Randy Orton all the way. $1.07. How's the woman? He was great. Sunday of the day. Tagged her on a wee cute Facebook post. A wee Facebook thing I said. She said I love you. I said I love you too. Neve. What a wonderful human being. Yeah, the woman's a good one. How's your woman? How's your family? How's Fogel? Fogel's not but how's Luke? How's Noel? No, that's still Fogel. How's Owen? How's you? How's Fogel? How's Luke? How's the family? How's the people? How's your dad? Your dad's a nice man. What the fuck was that noise? Fucking hate noises. Fuck! Oh my god. Fuck, that's it. Fuck.